Angel Falls in Venezuela is the world's tallest uninterrupted waterfall. Indigenous translations of the name include waterfall of the deepest place, or the fall from the highest point. 3,212 feet high, or 979 meters, the waterfall drops 2,648 feet, or 807 meters, over the Auyán-tepui mountain in the Canaima National Park. The total height includes about 1,300 feet, or 400 meters, of sloped small waterfall and rapids below the drop, and a 100-foot, or 30-meter, downstream of the Talus Rapids. The highest waterfall in the world, first sighted in the 1930s, was named for James Angel, an American who crashed his airplane nearby in 1937. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell. Like and comment this video, and check out more series videos. Thank you for watching World's Most Beautiful Places.